People are making millions of dollars off this meme coin narrative in crypto. The Boys Club. So the Boys Club consists of these 4 characters: Pepe, Brett, Andy, and Wolf, and all of these have their own coin, with 3 of them being on Ethereum and 1 on Base. So the one that you probably know of is Pepe, and not only is it a super popular meme in general, but Pepe is actually the number 33 coin in the world right now, and the 3rd largest meme coin, only behind Doge and Shiba Inu. So at the time of this recording, Pepe is sitting just over a $4 billion market cap. And we even have some influencers like Jake Gagnon that are literally calling for Pepe to go from $50 to $100 billion market cap this cycle. So last cycle, we saw Dogecoin top at around $80 billion market cap, and Shiba Inu top at around $40 billion market cap last cycle. So I don't see a reason in the world why the newest and largest meme coin this cycle, Pepe, doesn't at least touch SHIB's market cap of 40 billion, or even going close to Doge's of around 80 billion. Pepe already went over a $10 billion market cap a little over 2 months ago. So literally sitting at a $4 billion market cap right now, it would literally be a 10x for Pepe to hit Shiba Inu's market cap of last cycle, and a 20x to hit Dogecoin's top last cycle. And with all the popularity of Pepe, I really can see anywhere from a 10 to 20x this cycle. And like I said, this is the largest coin in the Boys Club, so it will yield actually the lowest returns compared to the next few coins. So the next coin in this Boys Club narrative is Brett on Base, and this is actually the largest coin on the Base network at the moment. And although Brett is on Base, well, Base is an Ethereum layer 2 network, so technically it is tied to Ethereum, just how like Pepe is tied to Ethereum, except it's actually on the Ethereum network, Pepe. Anyway, so Brett is the 2nd largest meme coin in the Boys Club narrative, and honestly, it trades kind of similar to Pepe, except it's a lot smaller. So currently, Brett is only at a $600 million market cap, so a lot smaller than what Pepe is. Since Pepe is the largest meme coin and newest one of this cycle, people are already starting to call for Brett and Pepe as the Doge and SHIB of this cycle. So like I said, Doge and SHIB literally hit 80 billion and 40 billion last cycle. So now people are starting to ask, can Pepe and Brett do the same thing this cycle? And honestly, for me, the marketing and branding of Brett is actually better than Pepe. The only thing is that the actual meme of Pepe itself is a more popular and wide known meme. But to be honest, Brett is doing a really good job with its marketing. I mean, it's even had events in Miami and Brazil. It was a sponsor of one of the F1 Monaco races last summer. So whatever Brett is doing, it's literally treating Brett as like a company. So when a meme coin is literally being treated as a company, that is a very bullish sign. So if Brett is going to be anything similar to SHIB this cycle, sitting around a $600 million market cap, for it to get to a $40 billion market cap is literally a 65x from here. So will it go to SHIB's levels? Honestly, if Pepe does very well similar to Doge, Brett could be the SHIB of this cycle. So the last 2 coins in a Boys Club narrative are Andy and Wolf, and I'm actually going to talk about these 2 together because they are quite similar actually. So first off, the thing about Pepe is that its contract address starts with 0x69, and that's honestly just part of the meme. Like their token supply is 420,690,000,000,000 tokens. So literally their contract address literally just adds to the meme of Pepe itself. And this literally ties into the contract addresses of Andy and Wolf. I mean, Andy's contract address actually starts with 0x68, one below Pepe's 0x69. And Wolf's contract address literally starts with 0x67, so one below that of Andy's. And literally the app for Landwolf is Wolf 0x67. So alongside with them also being in the Boys Club, they have their contract addresses very similar to each other, and it's honestly just been labeled as a thing for these coins. And although the memes of Andy and Wolf aren't as strong as Pepe, the marketing and artwork of both coins are honestly really good as well. On Wolf, it will literally be posting pictures with Pepe or pictures with the Boys Club. So, adding to the meme itself, I mean, if you just go through the Twitters of Andy and Wolf, like you're going to see a lot of good memes with these two. So, they're not as big as or popular as Pepe's meme itself, but the memes of Andy and Wolf are slowly growing, and this is literally adding to the value of both coins. So, up here is a chart from the Because Bitcoin team, and you're literally going to see Ethereum's chart matched with Pepe's, Andy's, and Wolf. And you're going to see as I play this video and just looking at the chart in the past as well, all these coins pair trade with one another, except Andy and Wolf are a lot smaller. So the percentages of return that you're going to get from Andy and Wolf will be greater than not only of Pepe, but of ETH as well. And to finish it off, here is another chart of Pepe, Brett, Andy, and Wolf. I mean, if you look at these charts going back to like June and July, they literally pair trade against each other. And like I said, Pepe was the biggest one, then Brett, and then Andy and Wolf are both currently very small, so they will yield the best return on your investment compared to Brett and Pepe. So a bet on Andy and Wolf is literally a leveraged bet on Brett and Pepe. And don't worry, of course, I want to give you guys some of my price predictions. So Andy just sitting under $100 million market cap, actually at a $90 million market cap right now. I do think that Andy will hit at least a $1 billion market cap. Like I said, it's just going to pair trade against Pepe. So to hit a $1 billion market cap is literally over a 10x from here. And if we're talking percentage wise of these coins, I actually think Andy can go anywhere from 1 to $5 billion market cap this cycle, even going past $5 billion in market cap valuation. And here's the chart of Wolf sitting around a $60 million market cap. Honestly, just went over a $50 billion market cap this morning. But to be honest, just to see Wolf go to a $500 to $1 billion market cap is literally anywhere from a 10 to 20x. So I am also giving Wolf the same range as Andy, maybe slightly below. Like if Andy goes to 5 bill, Wolf could maybe go to 4 bill. So the ceiling for Wolf is actually very high. And like I said, it's just slightly below Andy. So it will yield a greater return. And one last thing, just looking at Pepe's market cap. If Pepe goes to $100 billion market cap this cycle, well, think about it. For Andy and Wolf to get to $5 billion market cap, that's literally just 5% of what Pepe is. And you see how closely they pair trade together. So honestly, 1 to 5 bill, I think, is definitely in the play for Andy or Wolf. But I could even be lowballing it, guys. I mean, like, even if it does 10% of Pepe at 100 billion, that's $10 billion market cap. So that's why I think the ceiling for Andy and Wolf is very high. So Andy and Wolf in the boys club will be your riskiest bets, but will have the highest rewards. So I'm really urging you guys to make sure you check out the Boys Club narrative, because in this beta train of Pepe, Brett, Andy, and Wolf, there are going to be a lot of good returns coming this cycle for this meme coin narrative. And if you guys have any questions on the Boys Club or any coins in general, I do have a free Discord. The link will be in the bio, so make sure you guys join that. And if you guys are looking for a paid group, I do recommend Champs Only. I will leave a link in the bio for Champs Only as well. Like I said, that group is literally, you get 10x the value. So if you're looking for something a little bit more sophisticated, that's a paid group. Definitely go check out Champs Only. Also, guys, make sure to follow my X account. The link will be down below. I give out daily alpha for free on X, so make sure to go follow that. But anyways, guys, that's the Boys Club. It's one of my favorite narratives this cycle, so please do your own research on these coins. And I think once you do your own research and have your own convictions on these coins, you might start agreeing with some of the things that I had to say in this video. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you in the next one.